AIA Online Live Auction Plus. How to bid for trucks and equipment. Log in to our secured bidding portal. Go to www.aia-auction.com. Click Login. Type your bidder number and password. Check the terms and conditions. Then click the Login button. Check the online live auction schedule. Take note of the lots you are interested in and its schedule. Download listing catalog or browse auction stocks ahead of time. There's also an option to add preferred lots to your watch list. Go to live auction. Turn on auctioneer's voice.
Lot number 1305 2007 Komatsu unit here. Take a look here. Dash 3EO excavator. Comes a wide track browser chute, 2.9 ton arm crane.
Once the bidding starts, status will indicate accepting bids.
Like this one here, 2 million. Wait a minute, 2 million here, but 2 million, I'm gonna be 2 million here.
Monitor the price on screen and listen to the auctioneer.
How about 1,700,000 here? And 1,700,000 if I'm gonna hit it with 7 million. How about 1,500,000? 1,500,000. Wait a 1,500,000 here, and 1,500,000, 550, 1,550,000. We got a 550 taker. There we 1,550,000 here, and 1,550,000. 1,000,000 hitting.
Enable the bid activation button to bid. Click the bid button to place a bid at the current asking price.
600, 1,600,000 here, and 650 hitting 650.
Monitor the status of your bid. Here are the statuses that you will see during the bidding proper.
Gotta go, yes or no, last call. 1,650,000. How much? 620, would you do it? 620? 1,620? 1,620 here to 1,620,000. 1,620,000. 1,640,000. Well, 640 here, and 1,640 here to 1,640,000.
The highest bidder during the last call wins.
Down here to 1,640,000, and I sold it to you. Buyer number is 1003 buys. Lot number 13054. 1,640,000.
Status will indicate that you are the winning bidder. Once declared sold, bids will not be accepted anymore. The sale from that unit thereon is final. Note that there is strictly no cancellation of bids. How to bid in a choice group. If multiple items are shown on screen, it's called a choice group. You may bid and choose one or more lots being auctioned in a choice group.
Now the last call, yes or no, 2,290,000. 2,290,000, 2,310,000, 2,310,000, 2,310 to get 10,000, but 2,310,000. Last call, 2,310,000, 2,310,000. Sold it to you, 2,290,000. The buyer is 1003 buys.
The highest bidder has 10 seconds to choose a lot or all lots. Winning bid price is for each lot. Click on the box of your preferred lot to select.
Which one would you like?
Click Confirm Selection. Once confirmed, lots will be declared sold to the winning bidder.
Takes them both. Takes 1097 and 1098 for 2,290,000 each, and I thank you.
The sale from that unit thereon is final. Note that there is strictly no cancellation of bids. Check your winning bids at the My Purchases tab. Here are some helpful tips. Check the schedule of your preferred lot and whether it's included in the live auction or the time bid up auction. Stay connected to high-speed internet. Use the Google Chrome browser. Add items to your watch list in advance. Turn on auctioneer's voice during the live auction. Enable the bid activation button to bid. Disable it after bidding. Refresh the website if device becomes idle or inactive after a while.